Hello, I'm Soikat Ghosh. I'm going to show you how to install third-party apps on Fire TV Stick. As recommended by so many websites, I'm going to download downloader and enter an URL, whatever the size of the URL is. This URL size with my Fire TV remote. Nah, I'm not going to do that today. Instead, I'm taking a more easy way to do that. You have to take just 3 steps. Number 1. Search and install an app called Send Files to TV on your phone. Number 2. Search and install the same app Send Files to TV on your Fire TV Stick or Fire TV. And number 3. Send the APK from your phone to Fire TV. I think I have missed something. Yeah, you have to download the APK in your phone before sending it to Fire Stick. That's it. Now let's see how that works. I am going to my Android device, going to Play Store, search for the app Send Files to TV. Here it comes and install it. Next, go to your Fire Stick or Fire TV. Speaking of TV, in the next video, I am going to tell you about the television mashups currently going in India. So subscribe my channel and don't miss the video. Now go to your Fire Stick or Fire TV, search the app Send Files to TV and install and open it. As I open the app, there is only 2 options, send or receive. So if you want to send a file, you just click on send, and if you want to receive a file, just click receive. I am going to send an APK to Fire Stick. I have already an APK on my device. Here it is in my download folder. Now on my Fire Stick, I am clicking on receive, and now going to the app just install on my phone, clicking on send. Here chooses the file you want to send. Here is my file. Select it and it searches for the device. Here comes the address of my Fire Stick. Just tap it. Now look at Fire Stick. It downloaded the file. Now just click it and open it. That's it. That's an easy process. Next time you just download the APK in your phone and just send it. That's so easy. If you love the video, kindly thumbs up and subscribe my channel.